Sponsored by URSA, electronics production equipment for the most successful companies.
Hello, welcome to the Inventec booth that they're sharing with Ribasan here at SMT Nuremberg. I'm joined by Jan-Henrik Zazisko, who's the key account manager in Europe.
That's right. Hello, Trevor. Nice to have you here.
Thank you. Now, we're going to talk about a couple of things, Jan-Henrik. The first of which is a low silver solder paste product that you have. Can you tell us a bit about the features of it and the trade-offs versus your SAC 305?
Yeah, okay. We have developed also a low silver paste, which is very important, I think, in the market actually. The main feature, positive feature for our customers is, of course, money savings. Instead of 3%, we have either 1% or 0% of silver. And this means savings for our customer. We have, of course, some trade-offs. The thermal cycling is not as 100% good as it is with 305 or 405, for example. But on the other hand, we have a higher mechanical stability in the solder joints.
Okay, so the tensile strength is good on it?
Yes, it is, yeah.
What about the conductivity?
The conductivity is equal, so you have no trade-offs there, no electronical disadvantages with these alloys.
Okay, good. So that's an interesting product. The second thing we're going to talk about is a UV coating material. Now, the unique thing I believe about this material is that it can be cured using LED UVs. What are the benefits for using LED UVs versus the regular one?
Okay, you have a higher process stability, and what else you have? The quicksilver lamps are quite expensive. During the lifetime, it's degrading, the power is degrading, the energy brought to the coating is degrading, so you have a not uniform coating effect, or you have to change your lamps quite quickly. So this means a high process cost. With the LEDs, you have over a long time a very stable energy brought to the UV coating, so the curing is always the same.
Very, very stable process.
Yes, that's right, and the process cost in long term are lower than with the quicksilver lamps.
Okay, good. Now, you're active, of course, or Inventec is active across a number of different areas, from solder paste to coatings and cleaning, of course, is a big part of your business. You've got a new water cleaning chemistry that is out. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, we have developed a new cleaner which is water-based. Many people think at Inventec about Co-solvent, but we also have water-based cleaners, and this cleaner is based on regrowable resources. So we are not going to use up the resources of the world. Yeah, we are very green. But the main thing which is very positive for our customers is this cleaner is without any boosters, compatible with all metals. So if you have aluminium, you might know that you have to put boosters to not get the black stains. Forget about this with PromoClean Dispo 607. It works just fine without adding anything.
Right. Okay, so you get no corrosion or anything like that coming off of it. It works with all metals, but it's made 50%, I believe, from organic materials. Is that correct?
That's right. Yes. Right. That's we want to be a green company, which is difficult for a chemical company. We know most of our products are not really helping to improve the environment, directly at least not, but we want to keep the impact, the negative impact, as low as possible and improve wherever we can, and this is one step which we did in the right direction, we think.
Okay. Yeah, well, it certainly is. It's fascinating to think that you can actually make cleaning chemistries with organic materials. Talking about cleaning, you've recently done a couple of very major projects with your partner here, Ribasan. One of which I believe was in the optics industry, but the other was in the electronics. Can you tell our viewers a little bit about these projects, because they were really massive?
Yeah, we have installed together with the company Ribasan the biggest co-solvent equipment ever made in Europe. Only the first fill is about 2 tons. It's based in, or it's bought by the company Carl Zeiss, so it's optics. It's a very high precision cleaning required there. It's not electronics as you can deduct from optics, but this process is also very capable to be used in electronics. We have made at the same time another project with another company. I'm not sure if I can give you the name yet, but we will have a press conference about this later. In this company, the requirement was to clean assemblies which are already under tension. So they were calibrated in oil, and to get off the oil and the flux residues, the cleaning must take place already with battery installed. So this is something which is quite unique and where we were very successful, and the customer is happy.
So explain, how do you clean something when you've already got a battery installed on the board? I mean, doesn't the battery short out with the chemistry?
Of course, it's non-conductive liquids. So these liquids are electronically inert. This is why you can't use water-based cleaners there. We opted for our Top Clean EL20A in combination with HFE, the hydrofluoroether from 3M. It's a liquid developed by 3M, and we have developed this process to be able to clean assemblies which are already under tension. Would be also a nice process, for example, for car batteries. If you have, I don't mean the car batteries which we have for e-mobility, the lithium-ion batteries. Maybe that would have helped for the Dreamliner also, but we don't know this.
Maybe.
We should contact Boeing.
I think so. That's interesting. Well, you know, Jan Henrik, you're always doing a lot of fascinating different projects, and it's really interesting always to catch up with you once in a while to hear about these. So thank you for joining us, and we'll look forward to the next installment probably in the next show.
Yeah, I look also very much forward to it. Let me just add one thing. I know my boss is very keen that I always add this. Remember, we are worldwide. We can give you solutions wherever you are. We have our plants in Asia, in Americas, and here in Europe, of course.
Yeah, well, you certainly do have a very global footprint. That's true. That's true. Okay, thank you very much. This is Trevor Galbraith reporting from the Inventec booth here at SMT Nuremberg.